Today, we have some exciting news about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series. A leaked promotional video has revealed some game-changing AI features that are sure to elevate your smartphone experience. Let's dive into what makes the Pixel 9 series stand out. First up, the leaked video showcases Google's focus on integrating advanced AI into the Pixel 9 series with a standout feature called Pixel Screenshots. This feature allows users to easily search through saved screenshots. Imagine how convenient it would be to quickly find that one screenshot you took weeks ago without scrolling endlessly through your gallery. This Pixel Screenshots feature is part of Google's AI suite named Gemini. While the video doesn't go into detail on how it works, it's clear that Google is aiming to streamline everyday tasks with intelligent solutions. For those who frequently take screenshots, this tool could be a real game changer. The Pixel 9 Pro's camera is another highlight in the video, boasting features like Super Res Zoom video and a brand new Add Me option. Super Res Zoom video promises to enhance video quality, especially when zooming in. But the Add Me feature is where things get really interesting. Add Me allows users to merge two group selfies, making sure no one is left out of the photo. This is perfect for situations where the person taking the picture can't be in the shot. As someone who's often the designated photographer at gatherings, I know how frustrating it can be to never be in the photos. This feature could solve that problem, making it a must-have for group selfies. Google is also emphasizing long-term software support for the Pixel 9 series. The leaked video mentions that the Pixel 9 phones will receive 7 years of feature drops. Now, feature drops are periodic updates that bring new functionalities and improvements. However, the video doesn't specify if this includes security or OS updates, which are critical for keeping your device secure and up-to-date. This long-term commitment to feature drops is a big deal. It suggests that Google wants to keep the Pixel 9 series fresh and relevant for years to come, potentially extending the lifespan of your device. However, the absence of clear information on security and OS updates leaves a bit of uncertainty, which we'll need to watch closely. For the first time, Google is offering two sizes of the Pro model in the Pixel 9 series. While the leaked video didn't specify the sizes, earlier leaks suggest a 6.3-inch and a 6.9-inch model. This gives users more options, catering to those who prefer a more compact device or those who want a larger screen. Having two Pro models is a strategic move by Google, appealing to a broader audience. Whether you like the portability of a smaller phone or the expansive display of a larger one, there's a Pixel 9 Pro for you. The Pixel 9 series, with its new AI-powered features and dual Pro models, is already generating a lot of excitement. While there are some unanswered questions about software updates and the specific details of these features, it's clear that Google is pushing the envelope with innovation. As a Pixel fan myself, I'm particularly excited about the Add Me feature. No more missing out on group photos. It's important to remember that these details come from a leaked promo video, so we'll have to wait for official announcements for complete information. But if these features are anything to go by, the Pixel 9 series could be a significant step forward in smartphone technology. That's it for today. What do you think about the new AI features in the Pixel 9 series? Are you excited about the Add Me feature or the dual Pro models? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech. As always, see you in the next video. In just a few months' time, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will succeed the iPhone 15 Pro Max and take on the mantle as the best and most advanced iPhone out there. Although there's plenty of time until September and a lot can change, we seem to know a lot about the upcoming top iPhone model based on rumors and leaks. How is the iPhone 16 Pro Max shaping up against its predecessor? What's changing and what's staying the same? Let's see how the iPhone 16 Pro Max shapes up against the current best iPhone Apple has in its roster. First up, let's talk about design and size. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will inherit the same design language as the iPhone 15 Pro Max, employing the same titanium frame with a completely flat screen. The major difference between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the iPhone 15 Pro Max will be size. The upcoming iPhone screen will grow to 6.9 inches across, a significant bump over the iPhone 15 Pro Max's 6.7-inch display. To achieve this, they're likely shrinking the bezels down even further and making the phone itself slightly larger overall. As per the rumors, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will measure 163mm in height and 77.58mm in width versus 159.9mm and 76.7mm for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, respectively. A small but notable change, all things considered. The iPhone 15 Pro Max debuted with an action button instead of a mute switch and a USB Type-C port at the bottom, so those two features will be carrying over to the newer model as well. However, the iPhone 16 series will be scoring another button, dubbed the Capture button. Colors-wise, the iPhone 15 Pro Max was available in 4 understated and titanium-inspired colors. We've heard that Apple might use another titanium processing technique that will make the iPhone 16 Pro Max glossier and also more capable of retaining colors. Moving on to display differences. As mentioned, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will come along with a significantly larger display, measuring at 6.9 inches across. Aside from the size, we don't clearly expect any other major changes. We're certainly getting a liquid Retina XDR display with an OLED panel delivering superb colors, contrast, and exceptional maximum brightness. The screen will support 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate, making scrolling through the interface and on-screen content way smoother. Now let's delve into performance and software. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will feature a second-generation 3nm chip, possibly dubbed Apple A18 Pro. As one can imagine, we expect that the Apple A18 Pro will have better performance than the Apple A17 Pro. Due to the heavily rumored focus on AI for both iOS and the iPhone 16 range, we expect that the iPhone 16 Pro Max will come with a much improved neural engine to take care of all the generative AI features. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will also be a first to debut iOS 18 with a focus on artificial intelligence features. The new iPhone 16 Pro Max will also support faster Wi-Fi 7 and a more power-efficient 5G modem, keeping you future-proofed on the connectivity front. Let's talk about the camera. As the iPhone 15 Pro Max delivers a host of important camera features, chief among which is the new 120mm telephoto lens, the iPhone 16 Pro Max could finally address one of the forgotten cameras that hasn't recently scored any significant overhauls, the ultra-wide. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo believes that Apple will be introducing a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. When it comes to audio quality, iPhone Pro Max devices are always up there with the best, setting the benchmarks for all other manufacturers to measure up against. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will be no exception. The same generally applies to haptics too. iPhones are arguably the best devices when it comes to haptic feedback, giving us precise and accurate vibrations that are sufficiently strong yet not overpowering. Lastly, battery life and charging. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will reportedly feature a much larger 4,676 mAh battery compared to the 4,422 mAh battery in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Charging-wise, we haven't heard anything about a potential charging speed increase, but we hope to see one on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So far, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is shaping up to be a logical improvement to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, delivering key upgrades in important areas like screen size, performance, AI, and battery life. Thus far, we haven't heard anything particular about a potential price increase, so it's safe to assume that the iPhone 16 Pro Max will start at $1,199 for the 256GB version. Of course, if there's an iPhone 15 Pro Max in your pocket, then you'll probably have few reasons to upgrade to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Stay tuned for more updates on the iPhone 16 Pro Max as we get closer to its release date. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching. Until next time.